My name is Rebekah Fleischaker, and I own California Automotive and Mobile Mechanics. So I've been a mechanic for 34 years, and taking things apart, putting them together is very natural for me. To be able to physically touch something that's broken, something that had a function, but has no function at that moment, and then you touch it, and you figure it out, and you put it back together. That's incredible. Now it's working again because you figured it out. 80% of what I do is actually to educate my customers based on my experience. So the perfect customer is someone who knows zero about their car when they come in the shop. You can help them understand what you're doing, and when they leave the shop, they have learned something they'll be able to take with them the rest of their life. My customer, they're my best friend, and when you do your best for your best friend, that's even more gratifying. One day, one of my customers called me, and she was broken down. She came in, and it happened to be a very simple fix, and she says, "Oh, I'm so glad I could call you at that moment. That's why you're my car chick." That kind of stayed with me. You don't see a lot of women around working on cars, and so I'm called the car chick, and Rosie's kind of the image of that. When the men went off to war, the women had to go and work in the factory, and as it happens, you know, I'm a mom, but I go to work, so it really kind of fit me. I happen to be honored enough to work with some really great men and women who have taught me about cars. We all grow together. It's an amazing thing to see everyone can work together. Our hand tools are so important. They're like more than another set of hands. They're not one-taskers, they're not unitaskers. They're multiple taskers, they're million taskers. This one tool could help me get them back on the road so they can go do what they want to do. These tools give me more strength, more aptitude, and could last me a lifetime. Without tools, there's no way I could do my job. I don't have to go to work. I get to go to work every day. I'm doing what I love to do, and that's how I get to feel every day. I get to figure out what the problem is. You work it through, you talk with the customer, you make sure it's cool, you fix it, and at the end, you are the hero. It's a great satisfaction to know that you did the very best you could do, and no one can ever take that away from you.